Hi, today I have the snake cube puzzle. You can find many different variants of this puzzle. I have the one with rounded edges. And this puzzle is made out of wood, and the goal of this puzzle is to take it apart and to assemble it back to a cube shape. This assembling part is very easy. I have just to disassemble it. And the assembling part is more difficult. If you want to see the solution of this puzzle, you can keep watching the video. But if you don't want to spoil all the fun trying to solve this puzzle by yourself, stop watching now. Okay, to solve this puzzle, first you have to become a snake or a cube and think like a snake or a cube. And the second, you have to take your puzzle when it's disassembled, put it like this, and actually it's better to put it like this, and you have to find these two pieces. Each of them consists of 3 small cubes. You can find only one place on this snake where you can find these pieces, because there is one more place where you can find same pieces, but they are separated by a small cube. So our first move is going to be to take the right part and to fold it like this, so that we have this 6-piece shape. The next move is going to be to take these 4 pieces, take them up. Now we have to rotate this small cube like this, and now to put these 3 down. That's how you make the first very important move, and all the next moves are gonna be pretty simple. Now you have to rotate this part up and rotate it to the left. Now there are 3 pieces here, you have to put them to our cube, fold down. Now you have to deal with these 4 pieces. For this we have to put it like this and then down here. So these 4 pieces are here, and now this 3 piece goes up, this 3 piece goes here, and the last move is gonna be this one. That's how you assembling this snake cube puzzle. The solution looks pretty easy, but when you try to solve it the first time, it's always happens that at the end point you have like 3 or 4 cubes left and you don't know what to do with them. But if you do it exactly the same way I showed you, your puzzle will be assembled just in 20 seconds. If you like this solution, press like and subscribe button so you don't miss my new video.